How to log into Publix Passport Employee account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily log into Publix Passport Employee account. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. So the very first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser on your PC and then simply search for Publix Passport Employee Login. So you can just search for Publix Passport Login. And here you will see this link right here, or you can just directly type in this URL, publix.org, and it will directly take you to this website. Now, once you open up the link, on the top right corner, you have two options. You can chat, and then there is an option to log in. So all you have to do is simply tap on login here. And if you don't find it here, you will see a different box right here to log in. Or if you need help logging in, you can click right here as well. So I'm just going to click on login. So all you need to do here is now simply enter your Publix user ID or email address. And once you have done that, you can simply go ahead and tap on next. And now here you'll just have to enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click right here to go ahead and recover your password. And after you have done that, you should be easily able to log into this Publix Passport employee account. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.